Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this packet. It has some sort of chunky chocolate kind of thing. It is from a brand known as Gardena, and it's a Gardena chocolate loacker, and it is 190 grams. It has 5 bars in it, and they have mentioned that it is 4+1, that is 1 is free. They wanted us to give only 4, but then they just give 1 extra for tasting and all. And it's written like milk chocolate coated wafer with chocolate cream filling, fine granulated crystal and rinse in chocolate. It is written in some other language, I believe. Apart from that, they have shown the pic of it, how it will come like a waffle. And wow, nice. You just need to pull this out. Yay, I like it. And the bars will automatically come out. So these are the bars. Very nice, very beautiful color. I'm gonna open one and show you how it actually is. It is a little bit melted because I didn't keep them in fridge, but that's fine. This is how it looks like. And one important thing, you can cut in small pieces also, like this. They have, sliced them, so it's nice. It's nice, very soft. You'll not feel like you're eating a proper chocolate, because chocolates are really heavy to eat. You'll feel very full after eating chocolates, but these are very light, tasty, delightful, and yum. I loved it. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.